Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. It is me, once again, your teacher, Mr. Wu, and I'm here to talk to you about something new today. It's called expanded notation, okay? Now, it's very similar to expanded form, so hopefully by the end of this video and watching this, you'll be able to pick it up quickly and to get some practice in and understand the concept of expanded notation. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. In expanded notation, it's like I said, very much like expanded form. It's just a different way of doing it. If I have the number 543, and if I ask you to write this in expanded form, it would be 500 plus 40 plus 3, okay? Now, this is expanded form. We all know how to do that, right? Right. Now, what if I ask you to write 543 not in expanded form, but in expanded notation? And basically what expanded notation is instead of using plus, we're also going to use adding and multiplication to help us. So to make 500, isn't 500 5 times 100? Because if I do 5 times 100, what is that? That equals 500. Okay, what about 40? Isn't 40 the same as 4 times 10? Because if I think about it, what's 4 times 10? 4 times 10 is 40, okay, and I add 3. Well, if I add all this together, 5 times 100 is 500, plus 4 times 10 is 40, plus 3. Doesn't this equal 543? Okay, this, ladies and gentlemen, is expanded notation. Expanded notation, as you can see, is very similar to expanded form, except we're going to add multiplication to this process. Instead of saying 500 plus 40 plus 3, you're going to say 5 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 3. And you add it all together, and you get 543. Okay? Let's look at another example over here. What if I have 798 and I wanted to write this in expanded notation? Okay, well, I would do 7 times 100 plus 9 times 10 plus 8. Okay, 7 times 100 would be 700. 9 plus 10, 9 times 10 will be 90, plus 8, that's 798. You see how I did that? I have 7 times 100, which gives me 700, 9 times 10, which gives me 90, and then 8. So 700 plus 90 plus 8 is 798. This is right here, ladies and gentlemen, is expanded notation. Let's look at another example of expanded notation. What if I gave you 1,427? Okay. Well, I would do 1 times 1,000. 1 times 1,000 to give me 1,000. Plus, how many hundreds do I need? I need 4 hundreds. So I would do 4 times 100. Okay, how many tens do I need? I need 2 tens, so I would do 2 times 10, and then plus 7, and that equals 1,427. Okay, once again, I need 1,000, so I do 1 times 1,000. I need 400, so 4 times 100. 2 tens, 2 times 10, and then 7, and that gives me 1,427. Let's look at one more example. What if I had 5,936? Okay, how many thousands do I need? I need 5 of them. So I'm going to do 5 times 1,000 to give me 5,000. Plus, how many hundreds do I need? I need 900, so I'm going to do 9 times 100. Okay. How many tens? I need 3 tens plus 3 times 10 plus 6 and that will equal 5,936. Okay? This right here is how you do expanded notation. 5 times 1,000, 5,000. 9 times 100, 900. 3 times 10, 30. Plus 6 is 5,936. All right, so I hope that this video makes sense. I hope you guys are understanding how to do expanded notation. What you're going to do next is you're going to practice with the substitute. I have already given her some questions that she's going to put up on the board. Hope this makes sense. Sorry I can't be there today, but I'll see you guys on Monday. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Goodbye and good luck.